In the next posture, we are going to deep stretch our hamstring. So do Janu Sirsasana as a warm-up. So bend your right knee, your right heel top of the left inner thigh, grab your foot and bend forward. So if you are super flexible, means you can touch your head to your below the knee. So you want to increase the difficulty level. So now use your wheel and place this part, your above the heel, below the calf, this little arch on the wheel. So notice one thing here, your wheel is not too stable. So sometimes if you're not aware, it's gonna fall left or the right side, which is not good. Sometimes you can hurt your muscles, your hamstring, because you're stretching too much and it fell down, so it can be a little injurious. So just be careful. So keep the weight in the center like this, and because we are going to stretch the hamstring, now we are going deeper because leg is quite high. So keep a little tension back on the knee and then grab your wheel and bend forward. So again, you're stretching according to your capacity. If you have less flexibility in your hamstring, so maybe just hold like this, and if you can, try to reach and grab, and then other side. Sometimes you might notice like if you have really tight hamstrings, so it's really difficult to even touch the sitting bone down. If so, just put your hand behind like this and try to stretch like this. And if you're enjoying the stretch, that's a good position for you. Now look at next.